Hi everyone, I'm William Gallego, a product marketing manager from the Teledyne FLIR machine vision team. Today, I'm going to introduce a new option that makes integrating multi-camera embedded systems much easier while maintaining a lightweight frame and straightforward setup. The Teledyne FLIR Quartet is a new, customized carrier board embedded solution, capable of running up to 4 board-level BlackFi S USB 3 cameras simultaneously. It can do so thanks to the 4 TF38 connectors provided natively on the carrier board, providing a direct connection to our board-level cameras via an FBC cable, which handles both the power and data transmission, eliminating the increase to weight and cost the hubs or extra cabling would introduce. It utilizes a Jetson TX2 module to do all of its computing, providing impressive computing power at a reasonable price. The Quartet comes with our Spinnaker SDK pre-installed, making for a true plug-and-play experience. The Quartet embedded solution is a complete host system, designed from the ground up to be used with our BlackFi S USB 3 board-level cameras. The BlackFi's board-level cameras are fully featured machine vision GeniCam cameras, providing all the functionality one would expect from any of our other camera families. In this demonstration setup, we are running 3 separate camera applications simultaneously using the Quartet as the host, processing all 3 applications. We are also utilizing the TX2's deep learning acceleration hardware for each application. In the top window, you'll see we are running a license plate recognition system. In the bottom left window, we have a second camera identifying the vehicle type. For the bottom right window, we have a third camera detecting the color of each vehicle. To learn more about the Quartet embedded solution, make sure to take a look at the product page and articles we have on the Quartet. From all of us here at Teledyne FLIR, thanks for watching.